This color is so pretty and so glossy. Oh my goodness, I love this color. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to MissCheriess. So I'm already wearing my eye makeup and my face makeup because in today's video I'll be doing my review plus lip swatches of the new Colourpop Cosmetics So Juicy Plumping Glosses and their lip pencils. But first things first, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos. Now without further ado, let's go jump right in. So they came out with 20 shades. I only purchased 4 shades. They retail for $7 each. You could also buy the PR collection kit for $150, including I think the makeup bag. That's a lot of money, so you can try out some of the shades. So I only purchased 4 shades. I just wanted to try them out first because I'm not really into plumping glosses because I already have big lips, and also most of the plumping glosses that I have tried before, they were very uncomfortable. So the lip pencils, I only purchased 2 lip pencils. I'm not really into lip pencils, but I have been using lip pencils lately, like the Milani lip pencils. I love those lip pencils, so I only purchased 2 lip pencils from Colourpop just to try them out first. So the lip pencils, let me see how much the lip pencils, let me check in this here and my, okay. The lip pencils, they retail for $5 each. You could also get the box for $150, I think. I believe, yeah, 150. Same with the gloss kit. So they are very pricey, guys, and I don't know how many shades they came out with the lip pencils. I'm just going to write down everything in here. So let me show you guys the unique carton. So this is the unique carton. Get it here. You see that it says So Juicy, and in person, I don't know, the camera looks kind of pink a little bit, but in person looks more of a peachy orangey pink. And you can see the color on the side like a sticker, so it makes it easier to know the color. And here is the packaging. So it's like a transparent packaging, and I think the packaging is cheap. I mean, but you expect like $7, and oh my goodness, I love the peppermint smell of this one. I have been using the lip products for since Friday last week. So yeah, so today is Monday, and I was wearing a thing different shades earlier this morning. So this is in the shade VOOM. You can see the very beautiful orange, oh my gosh, glittery shade. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Oh my god, this is squeezable too. And next one is the shade Dress Code. And also I purchased their lip pencils. I have the shades, and so here are the unique cartons for the lip pencils, like light purple shade. And I'm going to show you guys the lip pencils. They are very identical to the Kylie Cosmetics lip pencils. I have only 2 lip pencils from Kylie Cosmetics, and they are very, I should say not similar, but very identical. I have the shades in Good and Plenty. This darker one, this is Good and Plenty, and this is the shade Shot Clock. So the Good and Plenty one's a little bit dark, no, not darker, but lighter. This is a little lighter than the shade, so they look very similar. I don't know why I picked up on like similar shades, but these are the type of shades that I wear every day. So these are very creamy, very opaque. They're very easy to apply. I've been using the lip products for 3 days since I think last Friday. So I'm going to show you guys lip swatches right now. I'm going to do these first, so the plumping glosses without lip liners, and then I'm going to do the lip liners alone with these. So pray for my lips. So thank God I only purchased 4 glosses and 2 lip liners. are really good. Love the lip pencils. Very opaque, very easy to apply, very pigmented. And also the glosses or the plumping glosses, they are very hydrating and it really help a lot with my dry lips. I have been using lip pencils and glosses lately, so these are really good. $7 each. The only bad thing that I don't like, if you put way too much, they could feel sticky, a bit sticky, not a little bit but sticky. I could feel like tingling effect, but not very uncomfortable. So these are really good. I highly recommend the Plumping glosses. So like I mentioned before, I don't see any big difference because I already have big lips, but they are very hydrating, guys. They don't feel comfortable. They don't feel uncomfortable at all. I mean, the tingling effect, it lasts a while. Maybe I should say 30 minutes, maybe less than that. So I highly recommend their plumping glosses and their lip pencils. So these two look very similar, but on here, like outside, they look different, but when I swatch them, they look really similar, like almost identical. So these are really good. So let me know, guys, what shades did you pick up from their plumping glosses and also the lip pencils. These you can actually sharpen them up. I don't know if I mentioned that. You can actually sharpen them up, which is really nice, which is even better than retractable lip pencils in my opinion. So those like break easily, so these are not. So this will be the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.